How to fix SuperBox remote not working. I'm gonna show you a few different methods here, so make sure you follow this step-by-step guide. First, I suggest checking the basics. You want to replace the batteries, try brand new ones, make sure they're facing the right direction, and remove any plastic tab they may have. The second method will be restarting the SuperBox. You want to unplug your SuperBox, wait 1 minute, plug it back in, and try the remote again. Check if the remote is sending a signal. Quick camera trick: you want to open up your phone camera, point the remote at it, and press any button. If you see a purple or white flashing light, then yes, it means that the remote works. No, it means that the remote is likely dead. Repair the remote, which is going to be a very common fix. If it's Bluetooth, it may have unpaired, so stand close to the box, press and hold the OK plus back button or Home plus back button. Hold it for 10 seconds and watch for a pairing message. The fifth method will be removing the interference. Bluetooth hates clutter, so move away from routers, soundbars, and other remotes and try again 3 to 5 feet away. Reset the remote. If buttons stopped responding, you want to remove the batteries. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. Put the batteries back in and repair it again. The seventh method will be testing with a mouse, which is important. This tells you if the box is okay. You want to plug in a USB mouse. If the mouse works, then the remote is the issue. If the mouse doesn't work, then the box is frozen. If it's still not working, then possible causes are a dead remote, Bluetooth receiver issue, or a box firmware glitch. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.